Hey everybody, it's Brian McDonald with Inspections, Estimates, Supplements here, talking about adjuster meetings. Now, I know contractors have a really hard time with just fighting with adjusters, and it sometimes can be frustrating. I know what you mean. I've been there, and I have learned through my system to where adjusters just have a job just like you and I. They are pawns in this game of the claim process. Now, it's not their fault that you can't get what you need on the initial inspection. And I'm here to tell you how to better understand that and how to deal with an adjuster meeting on a residential or commercial property. And what you do when you meet the adjuster, you want to make sure that you're there at least 15 minutes before the scheduled meeting. Preferably have your homeowner there, or the property owner or the commercial property owner there present. And when you meet the adjuster, introduce yourself. Hi, my name's Brian McDonald. I'm with such and such company. I'm just here to learn. I know you are the expert. So if you need any help, just let me know. I'm here to help. Don't act like you're a jerk or an a-hole. Just be there to show them that you are not going to fight them on every little thing, because your ultimate goal is to get them to open up the door and apply coverage for your claim. And then once they do that, you could surgically dissect their claim and work with the inside adjuster. So when you're walking around either the roof, the asphalt shingled roof, or a flat TPO roof, or a torch down, whatever it may be, a clay tile roof, and they're walking around the roof with you, just point out to them and say, hey, what do you think about this right here? What's your opinion on this? It looks like damage. And let them give you that answer, because 9 times out of 10 they will agree with you and respect you more, and not have this wall of ice and be defensive and saying, oh crap, another contractor I got to deal with. So it already puts them on defense, and you don't want them to feel that way, because you want them to know that you're just there to help them do their job, and not there to start any arguments. You're not there to be mean or start an argument or throw them off the roof or whatever. You're just there to help them determine whether or not they could apply coverage for hail or wind damage. Now, once they do, you walk down, you let them do their thing. Sometimes they will approve right on the spot, depending on the field adjuster and the carrier. Now, sometimes they will write the initial estimate right then and there and cut the check right there. Sometimes they could do that. Other insurance carriers, it has to go to the inside team to get approved, and that could take a week to 2 weeks depending on the carrier and how backlogged they are. So it is beneficial for you to make the field adjuster feel like you are there to learn from them and to help them if they need it. Any opinions or whatever, because we have to stay as contractors, and I'm an expert damage consultant. We can't talk about policy or coverage. We have to stay in our lane, and that's not our realm. We can't go there. So that's why you can't get frustrated when they have a disagreement, okay? Now, there are other ways to handle situations to where they don't agree with you. Let them do their thing and go about their business, okay? And if you have any questions on how to handle different situations on an inspection that you've been on, click the link in the message down below to my email address, bmacdonald.ies@gmail.com, and I would love to answer any questions that you have, how to handle certain situations. I'm here to help. And I'm about to go inspect this racetrack commercial flat roof. So I just wanted to get this video out because I know it's going to help a lot of folks out. I'll see you guys later.